my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What up, good people? Here we are back in the lab for another spray out. What color we gonna do now? Let's get into it. All right, what's up, y'all? Like I said, getting ready to spray another coat. The sun is shining on the box, and I can see, like I said, a lot of the major imperfections. You can't, I mean, you can kind of see it on the camera. I mean, don't get me wrong, I mean, it still looks okay, but there's some spottiness there. But that's why we bought that gun bud for the next one. And then also being equivalent with your coats. This up here, the hood, we were more concentrated, I feel. And so it's like a deeper, darker, richer blue. Then when you come to the side, it's like not as much. You can see that. So just things or takeaways from the first paint job that we're gonna need to pay attention to. That we're gonna need to pay attention to before we do this other box. Like I said, more material. So we make sure that we got enough, and then making sure that, because there's no spottiness on the hood. And I feel like on the sides, it's like that because we just needed more material. If I would have had more material, I probably wouldn't have been trying to stretch it as thin. Well, not really stretch it as thin, but I could have laid it on thicker. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, lesson learned, you know, no big deal. It still looks good. But, you know, trial and error. I feel like from there, I don't know if you can see, but to the naked eye, I'm pretty sure y'all can see it too. Yeah, even though this is the same color, this is a darker, like a deeper blue, and that's just because it had more of a coat on it. So more material for next time. I'll probably go ahead and get another gallon of that paint so that we don't run into this issue on the Tudo. But on to today's tasking. Like I said, we got the spray outs here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this blue that we plan to put on the box on the spray outs and see what it look like. So let's get into it. All right, so this is what we looking like after, let me take the damn mask off. So this is what we looking at after 2 coats. Yeah, that bitch gonna be sexy. That bitch finna be sexy. Sexy. Here it is. See, it's a difference, goddamn it. See, in the color itself, that's got a flash and shit. But compared to what we had for the other car, the color just wasn't banging. But I probably also didn't wait long enough between coats and stuff on it too, so I don't know. That was probably like a 1 coat. Yeah, so for this one, I think we got a good idea for this one. I might need to respray that color and see what it's looking like, and that might work for us. That might work for us. I'm gonna just respray it though, double coat. Double coat, I feel like it kind of make a difference. But this blue is just hard, nigga. No, this is not Oriental. No, this ain't the Cobalt. It's the LS Chevrolet 254 blue. So, I'm gonna let that do its thug thizzle. We gonna get the clear on deck over here. We already got it clear on deck. Clear on deck over here. 2 coats of clear. And then I will cut you back on. Whew, that motherfucker's sexy. All right, so as you can clearly tell, it's nighttime. Just getting off work, got home. I went ahead and pulled these bad boys off. Whew. But that is sexy. That is sexy. So I got that gallon of silver, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna need that shit. This shit can stand on its own. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. But this what we gonna do, right? So I'm gonna have to mark it on the inside of some of these. I'm gonna put these out in the sunlight tomorrow and we'll see what they're working with. But what I'm also gonna do is next video won't be in this one because I think this one already too long. Next video we are going to respray this because I don't feel like it laid. I don't feel like it was enough coverage, and I don't feel like it cleared right and all of that. Like, it just feels like when I touch this, the feeling I get is not the same as I feel when I touch this. This feels like protected. And I'm pretty sure where I went wrong at, where I probably went wrong at is it is, cause these were kind of rushed. So I didn't do 2 coats of the base and I didn't do 2 coats of the clear. Also, what I didn't do is I didn't wait between coats. So it's 10 minutes between coats of base. Then I think it's like 15 to 20 minutes for, well, if it was like the full car, I'll probably wait like 30 minutes. But for these spray outs, I know for these, I waited like 15 minutes for the base, I guess the flash or whatever, and get tacky. And then for each coat of clear, after the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes, then hit it with the clear, boom, 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 wait 10 minutes, and then boom, 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 hit it again, and then let it do its thug thizzle. So that's what we'll do tomorrow. And I mean, it's the same clear, because at first I was like, well, fuck, maybe it was that damn clear that I used. Know what I'm saying? We did switch over to the U-pole over the other one, but this is the U-pole clear here, and I mean it looks damn good to me. So yeah, this one I'm gonna respray. That one I'm really not fucking with it. Like, this is like a mustard yellow. I don't really care for it, so we won't waste any more of that. Cause like I said, I only got a little paint to spray anyway. But yeah, with this one, we're gonna paint it. We're gonna paint it again, get the proper coverage, lay it clear like it's supposed to be laid, and then I think this might be our winter chicken dinner. Or we might come back with something different. I don't know. But to give it a fair chance, I want to spray it correctly. So it should look more like, well, not like this, but the finish should be, like I said, it should be smooth like that. Give it the time that it needs to do whatever it is it needs to do. So in the morning, coming back out into the sunlight, and we're gonna get ready to respray this. Well, in the morning on this video, these are going out into the sunlight, and then we will go ahead and get ready to respray these. We'll respray this one, and we're gonna try something else. But you have to wait for that video to see. So, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy LSJ254. Remember, oh, it's the morning. Well, see you in the morning. All right, y'all. It is the morning after. I got that blue. I'm gonna put it in the sun for you. Take the blue to the light. I mean, you could already tell from the garage pictures, man. Like, it was everything. You know what I'm saying? You could already tell. When you bring it to the sunlight, that shit don't lie. The sun don't lie. The sun don't lie. Jesus, that is beautiful. Oh my God. So yeah, man, tune into the next one, and we're gonna spray the candy effect with this beige color and with this blue one, man. Yes, sir. Whew, that shit is sexy. I don't need no base bead. I don't need no silver up under that hole. That shit is sexy, nigga.